Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys two quick recipes that you can do. One is going to be Grinch cookies, which is really fun to do with kids. The second one is going to be a keto-friendly, low-carb Santa hat brownie recipe, which they look so cute and I feel like they go with the Grinch theme. So the Grinch cookies are going to be for the kids and the brownies are going to be for me, or, you know, I'll probably have a Grinch cookie too. But this is actually going to be a collab with some other girls who are doing some But I also wanted to mention that this is going to be a small collab with some other YouTubers who are also doing some holiday desserts. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link their videos down below in the description box. Alright, for the brownie mix, you need a 1/4 cup of butter. You need a 0-calorie sugar option. You need almond flour, or you can use coconut flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a little bit of water, baking powder, and 18 small strawberries. I have to set the oven to 350. First we want to add the butter that's been softened. Then the 1/4 cup of sugar. I use Swerve. Mix that up a bit. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of almond flour. I really like this King Arthur flour brand. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, now normally you'd be scooping the mixture into like an 8x8 pan. But because my pans are misplaced, I'm going to use a loaf pan, so you can laugh at me for this if you want, but I'm pretty positive that this will work either way, so whatever pan you have. I was even considering the cupcake pans, but this will do. Alright, now grab your spatula and get spreading.
That's what she said!
If you can't lick the spoon, what was this all for? Oven time. Alright, my fellow sugar freaks, it's time for the low-carb cream cheese frosting. And if at any point you find yourself questioning, what is she talking about? What is even happening right now? I too probably have no idea what is going on. So for this frosting recipe, it's going to be 8 ounces of cream cheese. It is going to be 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar, 0 calories of course. It is also going to be 3/4 cup of heavy cream. That simple. In a separate bowl, you want to whisk your heavy cream until you get those nice stiff peaks. And it's nice and whipped in. You want to slowly add little bits of this mixture, and then you want to keep blending it together. So what you're going to start noticing is that it goes from a whipped cream-like texture into a more dense frosting as you keep adding the cream cheese in. Now that we're done with the brownies, we're going to cut those up into little squares. We're done with the frosting, so we're going to put that in a piping bag, or a Ziploc bag will work just as well. We're going to pipe a little bit of frosting onto each square and then put a little strawberry on top to make it look like a little Santa hat.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. spend my
Alright guys, now it's time for the Grinch cookies, so I decided the outfit change was in order. So I'm going to have my kids help me with this one. It's super simple and it should probably be done in about 5 minutes, just mixing, and then straight to the oven at 350. Our daughter Yuri, and this is Gideon. Alright guys, let's get to work.
Yeah.
Actually very simple, so it's perfect to do with kids. You only need vanilla or white cake mix. You need 4 ounces of cream cheese. You need half a cup of butter. You need green dye for all this stuff, and preferably little tiny hearts that are 3 sizes too small. Okay, Yuri's gonna add the cake mix.
It actually feels like really fluffy. I'm gonna crack the egg and wait, it's not out of the egg. I'm gonna eat the egg. I'm gonna eat the egg. Nom, nom, nom. Ew, don't eat it.
Alright, Kitty, can you crack the egg? You might need to crack a little more.
The bacteria is inside. You just run that one. Now you add butter. It's off my cover.
Butter.
Oh my gosh. You're wasting this. We're wasting this. Well, it's gonna go to cookie. That's gonna be the next, right? Yeah.
We're gonna mix this up with the blender and, well, with the hand mixer. And then we're gonna add the green dye. Okay, now you're just gonna put in a few drops of green dye at a time. Yeah.
It's just gonna be you and me.
Squeeze a little bit out. There you go. Let's squeeze it out again. There we go. Now we're just gonna mix that up and see how it works. Not green enough, we'll add a little more. I don't think that's gonna be quite green enough.
Maybe we need to add a few more drops. But that looks kind of Grinchy green.
Why don't you add some more drops while we're doing this?
Okay, hang on right there because that's real small.
Okay. Well, you gotta let your brother have a turn too. If you add too much, he's not gonna be able to have it.
Over here.
Oh, good job. Okay, let me mix this first before we add any more.
Oh
okay?
yeah, that looks like the
That looks
real life.
pretty Grinchy.
That looks the real life Grinchy the movie color. I think we need some.
Nope. Let me mix it first.
Yeah, it looks. I actually like making videos with them.
Right. Now we're gonna scoop some onto the cookie sheet.
Gotta press them down first so they're nice and flat. I got more than you,
Just like that. Little balls, and then if you can put one little heart right in the middle.
No, wait. We're
No.
supposed to switch it down.
Just a little bit, not too much, otherwise the heart will disappear. Once it's big.
Like that.
Alright, Gideon, you want to put the heart on this
We're going on some dates. We're going on some dates. The hearts are going on dates.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but this little heart is alone. So he's gonna go on the next one. The next one. Yay! Going on some dates. Going on some dates. Adding that heart to Don't like each other. Except for this pair.
Oops, that might be too big.
So there you go. Onto the cookie.
Big enough. Good try. Those are really kind of small. Well, that's fine. Maybe they're smaller than some of the others. Kitty, your turn. And then you can put this one on.
Yay! Jump.
Okay, Kitty, you can do this one too.
Perfect. Where do I go? I'm gonna go with her. I put 2 hearts on one cookie.
Thank you.
Ooh, that, when I was close to it, it was making me warm. Now the cookie is ready.
Almost. Cooling off. Do they look delicious?
Yes, yes.
What do you think? Good?
Mm-hmm.
1 thumbs up or 2? 2 thumbs up.
Actually, I choose 3 thumbs up.
3
I
thumbs up.
choose 1,000,000 past the universe.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe down below.
Smash it!
I hope you had
Make it
fun.
great.
You sure did. You should definitely try out these recipes. Don't forget to check out the other links down below, including my new Etsy shop. It's got some funny shirts on it.
And some of them I designed.
Alright.
I like design.
Alright, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Happy holidays.
Christmas.